Hey, greetings and welcome. This is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Today, I was scouting out over at Rupp Cemetery over at Whitehouse, a local city that we have, and I was going through there to find out what we have, at that cemetery. Now, we have a number of people that are buried. It's a pretty small cemetery, as you can see. Here's Lucas County, and then we drill deep into Whitehouse. And you can see from the pictures is that they have several Civil War and and even War of 1812 veterans. And I'm excited about this because all of them need attention, and this is the tender, loving care that Remember Veteran Grave Markers does, is we'll go out there and spend some time cleaning this up and bringing these men back into inspection-ready perspective. We are excited about this because we have had permission from Whitehouse to be able to do work at their cemeteries. So this is something we're going to be doing in the near future. What you see today is just the before aspects. And then as we will do the same thing a little bit later when I complete the task, and then I'll show you the after version of this. So it should be pretty exciting as you see this unfold before you. Cemeteries like this are all around. This is another municipal cemetery managed by the White House, and they have effectively 7 cemeteries they kind of manage. And they have a really decent sexton that's doing such the work. But these, as I've said before, graves don't clean themselves. And while they keep the space nice, the area for cleaning of actual headstones really needs attention. So this is one that we're going to be focusing attention on, and I'm pulling together a small team to be able to hit this, finish up the work, so that we can do this in one day. Not much work to be done other than for these 7 to 10 headstones. Now, the sad part is that there are many other headstones there that are monuments and headstones and grave markers, and they all have biological growth on them. However, Remember Veteran Grave Markers only focuses its attention on government furnished headstones, much like you see, here. So in the future, you'll see more, but this is one, Rupp Cemetery in Whitehouse, and we'll be putting time and effort to clean this up and getting it ready for the future. Thank you. Until next time, remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. That is very helpful. And secondly is to, tell people about this. Let them know that we're doing this work in Lucas County, Ohio, but they also can do this kind of work in every county in the United States. Let's not just stop here. So those people who watch my videos outside of Lucas County, go to your local cemeteries and do something there. First thing to do, ask permission. Always ask permission. And the prime rule that we follow is first, do no harm. So you take care. Until next time, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. I'm out.